Hello everyone, this is Minh. Today video I would like to show you how you can screenshot, especially any menu or any pop-up. For example, start menu or widget menu you want to screenshot on Windows 11. So I will show you the quick and easy to get started. Okay, let's start. Okay, to take a screenshot on Windows 11 or Windows 10 or Windows 7, we can use one software called Snipping Tool. It's the great software come with Windows already. So for example, I have something like this and I can new and screenshot it like this and I can save it. But if you have something like start menu and you want to screenshot the start menu for your video tutorial or other thing, if you open here, it will disappear, or here the widget here when we new and then it gone, we don't get it. So how we can do that? So let's try. For example, I have start menu open like this and I can move my mouse away, okay, and then check on your screen with a key that they have labeled PRTSC. PRTSC means print screen, okay. Click that one. It somehow like in the top corner up there, just press it. So I record it, screenshot it already. So let's go to Pen or Photoshop or other software, you can paste it. Okay, just paste it and then we got it. And you can crop it or zoom in, zoom out, and you can crop if you want only this part, and then just save it and choose your location, and then you got the file. So anything that, for example, this widget, you want to record it, want to screenshot it, so just press PRTSC, press it and start with pen, just search pen, and then you can paste it and you can crop or you can edit something like a box or color something, and then you can do that and just save it and you got it. So you can pretty much screenshot any new screen for your video tutorial or for your website and things with that. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. If you want another Windows 11 tutorial, check link in description or in the playlist at the end. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope see you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.